Ka portfolio lani katnat rekam bagi minister kibat. Tungin Peit katnat rekam bagi bat. Uba Shaklir Wajri UMLA jongga HSPTP nama Thar Rashan constituency. Ukmi katnat sports and youth affairs department, labor department, registration, bat custom department. Uba AL head Badai nomik macam kepentor umkrat konstituensi nekaseng BJP ukmi katnan animal and husbandry department, fishery department, printing and stationery department bat secretariat administration department. Uba preston song ubadai chief deputy chief minister jong kazella ubadai nomik macam kepenorla konstituensi hakani kenti kumta ukmi ka home department, ka PWD roads department, District Council Affairs, but ka Parliamentary Affairs Department. Ba polang do MLA jong ka Veslong constituency ukmi ikatnan Social Welfare Department, Tourism Department, Arts and Culture Department, but ka Textile Department. Uma kermen jela MLA jong cleared constituency ukmi ikatnan Excise, Revenue and Disaster Management, Legal and Metrology Department, but ka Home Passport Department. Ikong amperin lingdo MLA jong ka East Long constituency ikimi ikatanat Health and Family Welfare Department, Law Department, Information and Public Relation Department, Agriculture Department, but ka Farmer Welfare Department. AT Mondal nomik macam ka Phulbari constituency ukmi ikatna Power Department, Community and Rural Development Department, but ka Taxation Department. Rakam isangma ubadai nomik macam ka Ronggara Siju ukmi ikatna Education Department, General Administrative Department, Border Area Development Department. Marcus and Marak ubadai nomik macam ka William Nagar constituency ukmi ikatan Public PHE Department, Housing Development Department, but ka Soil and Water Conservation Department. Konrad Kisama ubadai Chief Minister la Arsin Kati ukmi ikatan Cabinet Department, Affairs Finance Department, but ka Forest and Environment Department, Home Political Department, Planning Department, Mining and Geology Department, Election Department, Personal and AR Department, Implementation, Evaluation and Information Department, but ka Technology and Communication Department. Coming one number badai nomik macam ka Raliang constituency ukmi ikatanat Food and Civil Supplies Department, Consumer Affairs Department, Water Resource Department, Home, Civil Defense and Home Guard Department, but ka Cooperation Department. Masnya balang dhar nomik macam ka Narting constituency ubadai Deputy Chief Minister hakani ka Sarkar MDA2 ukmi ikatanat Urban Affairs Department, Transport Department, Commerce and Industries Department, Prison Department, at ka Correctional Service Department.